Good morning, children. All of you, please open your English conversation book to page number 12. Today we will study correct use of prepositions. What is prepositions, children? There are some words, children, which we should use at the correct place between two nouns or two pronouns. Okay? There are some words which we should place at which we should put at the correct place between two nouns, two pronouns, two verbs. So children, unless and until we don't go through several sentences, we will not be able to understand where to use the correct preposition. For example, children, your first sentence is I kept my books on the table. Table, children, mage. I kept my books on the table. On is here what, children? On is here preposition. Here books and table. Here books and table are the nouns and on is the preposition. So where I kept the book? I kept the book on the table. So the position of the book is on the table. Okay, children? Please listen to me. Please listen to me. Here to is, children, preposition. Okay? Here to is preposition. Me is one person and please listen to me. Here you is understood. So here two persons are there and the preposition between the two persons is to. Okay? Please let me come with you. Now children, again here two persons are there and here children, where is the preposition? With is the preposition. Okay? Please excuse me for the delay. Here children, where is preposition? Where is preposition? For is the preposition here. Please excuse me for the delay. Again here two persons are there, children, and here for is the preposition. That means हमको माफ कर दो लेट के लिए. तो this for के लिए is your preposition. Okay, children? Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a minute. For is here, children, preposition. Okay? थोड़ी देर के लिए close your eyes for a minute. एक मिनट के लिए अपनी आंखें बंद कर लो. So close your eyes for a minute. For will be your preposition. Okay? I arrived in the morning. Here children, in is what? In is showing the in is the preposition here, that when he arrived in the morning. Okay? Did you reach in time? Did you reach in time? Here children, in is what? In is here preposition. So we should use in, we should use preposition at the correct place. Okay? I asked him to stay. Here to is again here preposition. The teacher allowed us to go. The teacher allowed us to go. Here children, us is what? Us is your preposition. The road was covered with hard stones. With is your preposition here. So children, you have to keep in mind these words, that if table will come, if the word table will come, so which preposition you will use? I kept a cup on the table. Okay? This way you will learn. This way you will learn and this way your English will improve. Okay? The school begins at 8. Now children, question is there, when your school begins, so what will be your answer? My school begins at 8. Okay? My school begins at 8. So you should remember this, that you have to use correct preposition. Okay? My uncle was away for 5 years. Here again for is what children? For is here preposition. My mother has gone to visit her brother. Here to is again here children preposition. I saw my friends playing in the park. Here in is what children? In is here preposition. My friends talked about their summer holidays. Now children, what is the preposition here? About is your preposition here. My friends talked about. मेरे दोस्त अपने गर्मी के छुट्टी के बारे में बात की है. Talked about के बारे में, about. Okay? My classmates played in small groups. Again here in is your preposition. The sun rays are hot at noon. At is your preposition. There are some words children which we should always use at the correct place. Okay? I had a fruit for breakfast. Here for is what? For is your preposition here. My friends will not come to school today. To is again here your preposition. My mother wanted to buy some fruits. To is here children preposition. There are 4 members in our family. In is your here preposition. I would like to join the party. To is here children what? Preposition. So children, here are you able to see the correct use of preposition? Now we never say my mother wanted with buy some fruits. No, my mother wanted to buy some fruits. We should use the correct preposition. Got it children? I would like to join the party. Here to is here preposition. I like to travel. Again here to is preposition. My friends are going for a picnic. Here children, for is a preposition. Do not depend on others for everything. Now children, here on is the preposition. So children, you have to learn the use of preposition. I have explained you what are the prepositions. With your pencil, mark the preposition in your book and keep in mind that where you have to learn this preposition. Okay children, have a good day now. Bye bye.